Hello everyone. Okay, what I'm gonna show you here today is, as you can see, I have a drop data list. This is way better than a select tool because it is very lightweight. And select tool, I don't feel very good with the select tool because some kind of limitation. It's very good though, but some kind of limitation is in there. I think so. So instead of using a select tool, use this data list. And this is what I'm showing to you. It is connected with each other, like as you can see the project ID. If I select here, type here ideal corner, this is my project. Like I'm getting the project ID. And when selecting this ideal corner, I'm getting the unit number based on this ideal corner. If I select here a different one, Dubai Mall, sorry, then I'm gonna get this list. And if I get Bangalows or Society Bangalore, I think I have nothing in there. And also, for example, if I select, for example, this IDEAL, ideal, I'm gonna get, when I select this, as you can see, it's filling this information automatically. And how I'm doing this, I'm gonna show you that. See, I'm gonna show you like a flat. I think we have, it's a different one. See how I'm doing this? I'm using simple the jQuery. It is connected here, and the normal boot strip. See, that's the stuff, you know that. You must know that actually. So what I'm saying, the first row, I'm saying this is the first row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It's like that. I'm dividing all in each row, so it's so you can understand easily. In the first row, I'm saying the list, the project name option, and I'm getting the data from the database. And here is the for each, and I'm loading here. So this is the first part. This is the first part of this, which I'm loading here. As you can see, all the projects in there by using for each. See? So that's the first part. This is the project ID. That's above. Here is the project ID. I'm talking about the project name. Here is the project name. See? This is the project name. After this, once we load this, when we select this, we need an ID. We need an ID like that. So what I'm doing, I'm going to go down, make sure that the jQuery should be top of it. I'm going to go down. I'm saying on change of the project name, what I want the unit number option should be empty, because if you have something in there, and then I want a value of the project name. The value of the project name. Here's a project name. I need a value of it. Here's the value. I need a value for this. Then what I'm saying, I want a project ID, which is in there. How I have it, you can see this data, an ID. You can see this. So I want this. When we select this, I want this. So that's how I'm getting this. Project ID. I'm concatenate the value like this, and I'm getting the data ID. I'm saving this into the project ID. And then this, based on this project ID, what I'm doing, I'm saying that this project ID should be equal to whatever the value is in the above here. This is okay. And I'm Ajax call. Then I'm calling the Ajax. This project ID is equivalent to whatever the ID which I will provide it here, and it will go to the database and load the unit numbers. It will get the result based on this ID, and what I'm doing here, I'm appending into the unit number option. Which unit number? The second row. The second. Let me show you the second row. This is the row. This is the second row. Here it is. See, in this one, I'm leaving this empty. See, because I will append after select. After select. That this is the professionally we are using this. This is the professional way to do this. You will not gonna find anything on YouTube like that in detail. I'm gonna give you the code also. the link somewhere in the description. See, once you get this, you will load all the data. I'm going to append all the data here. And then the same thing, what I'm going to do, when we select the unit number, we want account ID and then header code. Account ID and the header code. Where is the account ID and header code? Here is the header code. Here's the account ID. I want to fill this information. So where I'm getting this, if I scroll a little bit right side, see, this is the customer name, this is the category, and here is the account ID, which I wanted. I want it. Here's the account ID, account header code, and account ID. Both of them I wanted. So I'm taking this out, saving it here, and setting the value. Here is the second, setting the value in the field. So see what I'm going to do, what I'm doing here, I'm going to select the star corner or any project. Based on that, I'm getting some kind of projects here, and based on that, I'm getting the values and as well as the customer name. See, F4 is Mr. Amir, and shop T. This one is different, should be. See, Abdullah Fahad Larek. This is different one. So that's how we are doing. Thank you very much.